Introducing the 8-cavity all-electric pet blowing machine, powered by advanced all-electric servo technology. Save up to 40% electricity. Industry 4.0 ready, with smart connectivity. Equipped with a predictive maintenance system, remote diagnosis and monitoring for maximum uptime, automatic fault detection, and alarm system. High production capacity of up to 10,600 bottles per hour. Contact us today at +9193 1909 6289. Get the perfect pet blowing solution for your business.